Preface. Seed security is a prerequisite to food security, which in turn depends much on the success of crop improvement programs. Strong plant breeding programs lead to the continued development of improved crop varieties that perform well under optimum as well as erratic climatic conditions, meet the market demands fulfilling changing consumer preferences, and fit into newer farming system models. However, development of improved crop varieties is only of limited consequence without a sound and resilient seed supply system to achieve success in agricultural production. It is seen that countries that laid emphasis on continued investment in capacity building and the creation of necessary infrastructure in crop improvement and seed system development achieved success in meeting the growing food demands and challenges of climate change in a sustainable manner. Concurrent with the introduction of semi-dwarf, high-yielding varieties of wheat and rice in the 1960s to 1970s, ushering an era of green revolution, and a well-planned program of hybrid development in maize, sorghum, and pearl millet in the 1960s, India created a seed supply system by investing in the multidisciplinary research and education on seed technology, introducing appropriate legislation, policy support, and building necessary infrastructures for seed production, processing, and quality control. These were supported by various programs, projects, and international collaborations, all of which contributed to capacity building and infrastructure development. In the fast-advancing field of seed science and technology, continued efforts are needed for the upgradation of the capacity of seed professionals. Viewing this, in the frame of a bilateral cooperation between the governments of India and Germany, and the project Indo-German Cooperation on Seed Sector Development, an extensive capacity building program was undertaken, mostly online, during the years 2020 and 2021, for the benefit of scientists, faculty members, and seed sector professionals working in agricultural research institutions, universities, certification and seed production agencies in India. Nearly 100 lectures were delivered by 70 eminent experts from India and EU countries during these training programs on various aspects of seed science and technology, including seed production, post-harvest technologies and storage, seed quality enhancement, seed testing, and seed certification. Considering the huge response to these trainings, it was decided to bring out a book by using, collating, updating, and restructuring the training lectures and elaborating the topics further in a manner that the book will not only be useful to the seed professionals in India but will also serve as a base reference to those in other parts of the world, particularly in South and SE Asia. The chapters in this book have been contributed by the experts in their respective fields, most of whom were involved in these capacity building programs. Many of the contributors are from the seed industry, having practical knowledge of the gaps in the process of technology development. Some chapters have also been contributed by the experts who were not associated with these training programs, but have long practical experience in their respective fields. The introductory chapter presents a brief overview of the multidisciplinary structure of seed science and technology. The next 15 chapters have been organized into 3 major sections: seed biology, seed production, and seed quality assessment and enhancement. The concluding chapter discusses the most significant recent advances, potential areas of seed research, and the developments of promising technologies. Keeping the multidisciplinarity of the subject, there are some overlapping between the chapters. As the chapters were prepared around the lectures delivered during the training programs, some degree of overlapping provides interlinking, which will help provide a comprehensive understanding of seed technology. In bringing out this publication, we are indebted to the governments of India and Germany, and the project on Indo-German Cooperation on Seed Sector Development, and its key functionaries, Shish. Ashwani Kumar, Joint Secretary, Seed, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, GOI, India, and Dr. Ulrich Muller, Deputy Program Director, GFA Consulting Group, General Agent of the Bilateral Cooperation Program of the BMEL, Germany, without whose constant guidance and support this project would not have materialized. We are profoundly grateful to Mr. Eckhard Schroeder, Managing Director, ADT Project Consulting GmbH, Adenauerelli 174-53113 Bonn, Germany, for making this book happen. Concerted efforts made by the nodal officers of Indo-German Training Program from Northern Region, Dr. D.K. Yadava and Dr. Sandeep K. Lal, Eastern Region, Dr. Sanjay Kumar, and Southern Region, Dr. Vilas Atonapi, are also duly acknowledged. Our sincere thanks are due to Shish. M. Gunasekaran, Assistance Commissioner, Seed, Dr. Somani S. and Dr. Raghavendra Kavali, for their constant support in conducting the trainings and providing relevant materials for the preparation of this book. Though the book primarily addresses the situation prevailing in India, it also compares, wherever relevant, the Indian seed system with that of OECD member countries and the USA. It is hoped that this book will serve the purpose of a reference book for graduate students, postgraduate researchers, scientists, officials involved in seed production and certification, and all other seed professionals working in the public and private sectors not only in India but elsewhere too. We are grateful to all the experts who reviewed the chapters meticulously and provided critical comments and valuable suggestions which helped improve the contents. We express our profound gratitude to Dr. Trilochan Mohapatra, Secretary DARE, and Director General, ICAR, Minister of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, Government of India, a plant geneticist, and breeder par excellence, for a foreword to the book. We are indebted to our family members for their patience and unconditional support throughout the preparation of this book. Malavika specially thanks Dr. N.K. Dadlani and Ms. Deepika for providing many valuable inputs and technical help. New Delhi, India, June, 2022. Malavika Dadlani, Devendra K. Yadava.